Mist gave me a recipe to success, basically. So I followed the recipe, sir, and and it turned out to be very well.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello,
Good
Samir.
afternoon.
How are
Good
you?
afternoon, sir. I'm good. How are you, sir?
I'm good, Beta. How is everything going on?
Good, sir. Preparing for NEET right now.
Very good. I think the exam is
Yeah.
in March.
March 12th, sir. Yesterday, the date has been released.
Yeah. And this time uh, they have done really good. They have actually published the dates of all the exams, I guess, in the coming year, right?
Yes, sir. Hopeful tentative, given that specific thing as well. But we're really hoping that the date is the fixed date, unlike last time.
Okay. And where are you located?
So right now I'm in Andhra Pradesh, Vishakhapatnam.
Acha, Visakhapatnam. Good, 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 good.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Good. So you have done with your other things like internship and all?
Done, sir. Done. Registration is also done.
Wonderful. That's great.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Uh, Very good. So what are you planning to choose in your PG?
So, sir, I have three options where I've come down to. So, my first option is OBGYN, second is dermatology, and my third one is psychiatry as of now. I mean, if the rank goes low, but that's where I'm drawing the line.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
I
Thank you,
think
sir.
Derma in my opinion, I think Derma and Psyche definitely wonderful branches. I'm not
Yes,
sure
sir.
about OBGY because
So for some reason, Vinit sir, when I studied OBGYN in the thing, especially the way the menstruation cycle was taught and how the hormones were taught, I have never been a fan of gynecology since the start, but I don't know, but that got me so interested that now I'm into like OBGYN a lot for some reason. It really interests me now.
wonderful. That's great. That's really good.
Yes,
So I think
sir.
Samyukta, we
Sir.
just wanted to interact about how was your journey and
Yes,
uh,
sir.
how do you feel about the journey?
Sir, first of all, thank you for asking me this, because when I've seen other students come to MIST and motivating the students, I've been actually, that was very helpful to me, and I also thought when I pass the exam, I also want to help out people and all. So a little bit of introduction about me, sir. I am not a new candidate, a new fresh out graduate when I came to MIST. I completed my graduation about 4 years ago before I joined MIST. That is because I never wanted to settle in India, but then things changed, and I wanted to settle in India. So then, but all this time I've given a lot of exams, nearly 6 to 7 exams, I'm sure, and I've always got 110 without preparing, zero preparation at all, and got 110 range marks. Then I started preparing because I wanted to settle in India. Came close to 147, 149. So depressed, so depressed, on medication. And then one of my friends just said, you know what, you have to come here and join. There's no other way around. So then I came, but it was an entirely different atmosphere for me, sir. And I'm telling this for students like me who have come after 2 3 attempts and like join. um, all a lot of fresh faces, newcomers, and it was quite depressing at in the starting. But then I started to make sure that I trusted the process. When teachers told me something, I just followed it blindly. I said whatever I did, it did not work. So these people are supposed to be the experts in this field, so let me just understand them, go in their way. And what mist gave me was, sir, that mist gave me a recipe to success, basically. So I followed the recipe, sir, and and it turned out to be very well. So that is something I really really thank you for, and it is the same recipe I'm using for my NEET right now as well. So hopefully that also works out, which I'm sure will. But that is something mist has helped me out with a lot.
Wow.
So, sir, yeah.
What were your subjects which you liked the most?
The most were OBGYN to start with, and surgery. Then, so the clinicals were amazing, no doubt. ENT was good, Optal was good. forensic was good, but forensic was my personal favorite before as well. So all these were nice. All the clinical subjects were amazing, and the teachers were really, really good as to like inculcate the, um, energy and the excitement in the clinical studies. But I want to speak more about the non-clinical subjects, which nobody likes, not interesting, not at all. You don't even feel happy to open the book when you first study about it. But teachers like Salman sir, pathology, my God, the way they have inculcated that interest in us, that, this is not some crazy subject that you need to mug up. Instead, they taught us ways and methods to like learn, understand physiology. It was quite amazing, sir. The preclinicals were the deciding factor for me or anybody, competitive exam, FMG exam, whatever it is. Preclinicals will decide the rank. So in that method, I think the doctors were amazing and amazing. The teachers, the way they tried to create that interest and make it easier. Sir, आपको पता नहीं है, whenever I answered the first paper of the FMG exam in my previous before I joined NIST, I always had issue. मैं छोड़ ही देती थी सर, फर्स्ट पेपर तो लीव इट, लाइक सीरियसली कुछ होता तो सेकंड पेपर में होता, नहीं तो छोड़ दो फर्स्ट पेपर. इट वाज माय ऑनेस्ट थिंग. बट आफ्टर जॉइनिंग मिस्ट, आई फर्स्ट पेपर आई गॉट समवेयर अराउंड 100 प्लस सर,
Wow.
which I was like amazed at myself कि अगर वो नहीं होता तो अभी नीट भी नहीं कर सकती सर. That was definitely there. So that I really want to thank you for, all the teachers. It was quite amazing, to be honest. So I also think that all the new students should also focus on these because they're easy. It's not as hard as we think it is. So I think if you concentrate on them, I'm sure क्लिनिकल तो कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ा हुआ, लॉजिक अप्लाई करो, कुछ तो करो, कुछ आंसर भी कर सकते हैं सर. बट नॉन क्लिनिकल्स, इफ यू डोंट नो, यू कांट आंसर देम. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सर. आई थिंक दैट.
Right. And
Yes.
how was your journey in Tbilisi?
Tbilisi was amazing, sir. Amazing, to be honest. Like, I'm 100% sure, even if I am an Indian medical graduate, I wouldn't have been the same doctor that I am right now. I have to give up a huge thank you for my teachers, not just for teaching us medicine, sir. Tbilisi State Medical University taught us how to be good doctors. All my friends right now are being appreciated for our work, and like, even the patients give us a lot of good feedback. And I really owe it to my teachers from Tbilisi, sir.
Wow.
Yeah.
Samyukta, I would like to know that
Sir.
how calm and composed you
Sure.
were before the exam, how you were able to handle that anxiety, the exam
Sure.
anxiety.
So inside the examination halls, I was again anxious, just like everybody before the examination hall. But inside the examination hall, as soon as the questions appeared in front of me, instead of looking at it like an entire exam or two parts of the exam, I looked each question to be a certain goal. So I did not see it as an entire exam. One question, let me answer this question, let me put my 100%, and then I move to the second. So what I divided is, I divided my huge goal in front of me to a very small 1 minute things. So I went forward like that, so as to calm down my nerves and not make silly mistakes. I did make silly mistakes even then, but I think I've reduced them a little bit. And I saw each question to be a single goal, and that is how I went through. That is what really helped me in the last to calm my nerves. And because a lot of people in the side, bajo mein, aage piche, crying or like rehearsing in the air and stuff. But it can get a little anxious. But that's what I did to calm down my nerves.
Great.
So,
And as far as the questions were concerned, what do you think, whether the students should go through the bits during the preparation more, or they should focus more on the concepts? What was your mantra for this success?
So, sir, because I said I have given a lot of previous examinations, even during the classes when the teachers told me that, these questions were previously asked, and, one of these questions is for sure. For example, GCS, so yeah, for developmental milestones. So, milestones, so you expect a question from there. You don't study, you're missing a point in an examination. So I know these questions a lot, sir. So I have marked them personally too, and also I've taken the teachers' considerations, and 100% मैंने तो वो पढ़ के ही गई. like वो तो नहीं छोड़ा मैंने, बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ा. That itself came to good 50 questions or more, sir. So my even for the NEET right now, what I'm doing is I answer the previous year question papers first. नहीं आता आता कुछ भी होता, but I know where the examiner is asking from. So then I went and studied the notes, gave it good 3 revisions, and then after that, सब bits तो ज्यादा नहीं किया है. I'm openly going to tell this, but maximum of 200-250 bits overall, sir. But खरीदा तो है बड़े बड़े बुक्स एंड ऑल दैट एफएमजी सॉल्यूशंस हो या ऑल दीज बुक्स मैंने खरीदा है, बट बिट ज्यादा नहीं किया है सर. मतलब द टाइम वाजंट एनफ बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ ओनली स्टार्टेड द प्रिपरेशन 4 months फॉर एफएमजी. मैं आरबी 6 में थी सर, and also I came 1 week later to the class, missed entire anatomy. So there was very little time, so I couldn't do a lot of bits, but I think bits जैसे मैंने आंसर किया भी है सर. The teachers taught me a way to answer the bits. मतलब examiner empathy करके जो सीखा है मैंने टीचर से कि don't be the student when you answer, you have to appreciate the question कि कैसा उन्होंने twist किया है, examiner ने क्या सोच के ये bit बनाए, why is this bit even in the exam, because it is useful for you in the future. So that way I created that examiner empathy exactly, I'm sure 15 days before the exam की examiner is on my side, examiner wants me to be better. So ऐसा सोच के ना सर, जब मैं पढ़ भी रही थी ना सर एक एक नोट्स रिवीजन के लिए, तो I pointed out places where, you know what, if you ask a question like this it will be so good. So I became an examiner right 10 days before the examiner, and I started asking questions to myself. ऐसे मैंने beats किया sir, I didn't do it from a book alone. That I would like to say.
Wonderful, Samita. I think I should
Sir,
appreciate this. Ki,
thank you.
if definitely, Beta, if you actually become, you're able to read the examiner's mind, right?
Yes sir.
And you try to put yourself into that shoe,
True
then
sir.
life really becomes very, very easy. Because
गेम बदल जाता है सर, सीरियसली वो तो.
बहुत ही बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मेरे को ये सुन के.
थैंक यू सर.
And, regarding the preparation plan, I would want to know ki, what do you suggest ki, for how much time the students should be able to focus on the classes, how much time they should be giving to their self-study. Like there are 24 hours, so how you were able to break those 24 hours?
So sir, when I was preparing, I kept everything aside sir. Food हो, sleep हो, personal grooming हो, जहाँ तक कि I even comb my hair only once in a week. I had that little time, and because I've reduced all that time to a bare minimum, I had a lot of time to study. Classes जितने थे I attended because I was in RB6. आपको पता है sir, my classes ended way last. So I attended the classes, couldn't miss them. 8 बजे ऐसे कुछ खत्म हो जाते थे, कुछ खा लेते थे, go to the study room and sit and study there. That is what I have done. I have reduced everything, sir. Talking to my parents or talking to my fiance हो या फिर कुछ भी हो, I have limited everything to bare minimum and gave the exam that much more importance so as to make sure that I get that much result in the end. It is directly proportional, sir. आप जितना hard work करते हो उतना ही result आ जाता है, sir. Especially in these exams. So for me personally, and this is before while the classes are going on, sir. After that I have found myself a good study partner. So again, somewhere around 6 o'clock ऐसा कुछ start करते थे sir. After brushing, eating breakfast, everything, 6 o'clock in the morning start करके we used to finish somewhere around 12 o'clock, sir. And then I used to like again see a few questions here and there and sleep and go back to normal. It was not easy, sir, for me because I was so everything. My only goal that time was to like study, get out of here, complete this bottleneck in my career right now. So that I was very sure to make. मतलब जितना हो सके सर, I gave my 100%. कितना time दिया, leave it sir, like but what time maybe I made sure every second I gave my 100%, and that is how I tried to manage it.
Good. That means the time management was focused more towards the studies
Yes.
rather than focusing on anything else, and you were
Yes, sir.
able to squeeze
Yes, sir. Any
one.
basic thing was given the least amount of time.
And
Sir.
since you have been in Tbilisi for quite some time, and you have
Yes, sir.
also seen this journey after Tbilisi,
Sir.
what do you think? What the juniors should do? How they should prepare during when they are studying their graduation, and
Sir.
when they should start preparing for this exam, the licensing exam?
So, sir, if I may and use a minute of your time, I
Sure.
have been seeing a lot of people saying from first year, second year, they start preparing for the exam. I myself am very against it, sir, because at least in when you're studying to be a doctor, MBBS is a very important part of our life where, मतलब आप पढ़ो जो books teachers आपको बोलते हैं, मतलब where your university gives you a list of books like Robbins ho for pathology, Gray's Anatomy ho, or books like that. You study them like मतलब when in your first to 4 years of your thing. Ours was 6 years, sir. So at least till the fourth year, you concentrate on the books that the university asks you to study. Matlab, if you don't have that overall knowledge, and instead, I don't want to name other apps, but if you only study the notes of their apps, your matlab, mind is not set to take care of your patients after you come out. That's not right. So study them. Study Harrison's. जब आपको time मिले ना तो time है sir. Especially I'm talking about foreign medical graduates. We had to cook, we had to clean, we have to do all our stuff. I know all of that, but still we have time. मतलब है, if you put all your time in a good thing. So make sure that you have to create a bubble where you have to complete a certain portion for that time. You study the big books. मतलब इन योर लास्ट ईयर 6th ईयर आ गए हो या फिर आपका 5th ईयर आपका फाइनल ईयर है, जब यू टेक दीज बुक्स, मतलब नोट्स पढ़ो, कोचिंग सेंटर्स के नोट्स पढ़ो, एंड देन यू गो अहेड, you see the videos of the coachings, or you go ahead with that. But I personally will not recommend studying app based notes since the first year. That's not right, sir. For me, that I
True.
personally feel that.
That is, I think, a very good suggestion, especially for the undergraduates who are studying in various universities, whether it's India or outside India, that
Yes, sir.
basic foundation should be built up on the standard textbooks,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
because that is definitely going to take you a step ahead in your
Absolutely, sir.
practicals when you will be facing your patients. Ultimately, we are becoming the doctor, and we have to actually answer the patients. If we are
Yes, sir.
able to give nice answers to our patients, that means we have done a good job.
True, sir. True.
Possibly only with those standard textbooks rather than going for the shortcuts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Especially not in the starting years, sir. I am absolutely against. But in the later years, of course, you have to like start your preparation early. So absolutely, in the last 1 year or 2 years, you start with these preparations with the for the competitive exams. You do good and you don't waste any time. So that is really good with that, sir.
Right. So when the student is coming in the 5th year or 6th year, then they should
Sir.
start focusing on the upcoming exam
Yes.
they are supposed to clear.
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir.
Right.
So that is what I personally feel about it, sir.
And in that phase, what do you feel would be the best, whether it would be the video lectures, or it would be the face-to-face or the online live lectures? What personally
Sir.
you feel would be the best for the students?
So, as a foreign medical graduate, not a lot of our, I'm not talking about every college here, sir, but not a lot of colleges are spoon fed. They're only, my university, when I studied, used to give me a topic, prepare for it, come next day, talk about it, and then go home. There's a new topic again. So, in that case, there were not, again, my preclinicals were very bad. So we did not have a lot of cadavers like Indian medical graduates to study over it and all that. So for that, maybe live classes, if you don't have the discipline to sit and study, sir, I think live classes are the best. Matlab, so they give you an schedule. You are supposed to be there. Agar aap nahi ho, to you miss the class, so you miss a time and all that. If you have the discipline in you, then recorded classes will also be better, sir. But if you are good with your basics, matlab aap padhe ho actually during your medical education, then I think even when it comes to it, the missed all-in-one is enough. coming to those people who have studied from before, missed all-in-one itself is enough. मतलब there are that kinds of grades of people where कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है तो आ जाओ बैठ जाओ पहले से सीख लो. They spoon feed you, sir. Missed में तो if you don't know medicine also they'll make you pass the exam. उतना अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं sir. That I absolutely have to give it to you. So there are that even to every grade of people. I think this is good, but who can't study has to come through the live classes. Who can study go through the recorded classes. Who doesn't know anything or who knows everything, they can go with all-in-one also.
Yeah, now I remember, Samyukta, because I'm just sitting next to your RB6 classroom only right now.
Yes, sir.
So
Oh, okay, sir.
on my left. So
Oh,
I can remember because we started quite late in RB6, I think around after 20.
yes,
Yes. And
true, sir. And I came late to that also, sir. So added advantage.
it has
Yeah.
been really remarkable journey. And
Sir.
hats off to you, and the take-home message which I
Thank you,
feel
sir.
pass on to the students, to your juniors, is that you have to actually do a nice planning. Like
True.
you, very, very, very focused regarding that preclinical preparation. First 4 years, the student should focus more on the standard textbooks, the preclinicals, if they're good, that will definitely help them. Then after 4th year, they can go ahead with the clinicals, and the
Clinicals.
live lectures would be the best lectures at that point of
True,
time.
sir.
And you have to have a proper time management.
Absolutely, sir.
That whenever you are appearing for any licensing or a competitive examination, then you should have a proper time management so as to do justice based on which effort you are putting in.
Chennai,
Uh,
proportionally, you will get the ranks.
Cool. So I think these are wonderful words. And one more thing, like there are some students who would be focusing more only bits, just
Sir.
only never help. If you've got the good handy subject,
Yes, sir.
a wonderful message from your side, Samyukta. Thank you very much for
Thank you,
taking up
sir.
your precious time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Wish you all the very, very best. Convey my
Thank
deep
you, sir.
regards to your parents and everyone in the family.
Thank you, sir.
May you come out with flying colors, and may God bless you with whatever you dream for in your life.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. God bless
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.